Who has the burden of proof for whistleblower claims? Imagine you see something wrong at work and decide to speak up. Now you face a question. How do you prove your case if things turn sour? When it comes to whistleblower claims, the answer is a bit of a game of legal chess. First, the employee or whistleblower must show that they engaged in protected activity. This means they reported illegal or unethical conduct and that their employer was aware of it. They need to provide enough evidence to convince the court that their actions were protected under law. This can be done with direct proof, like emails or reports, or circumstantial evidence, like the timing of the retaliation after the whistleblowing. Once the employee proves that their protected activity contributed to the adverse action, the burden shifts. Now, the employer must step up and prove that they would have taken the same action even if the employee had not blown the whistle. This is a higher standard called clear and convincing evidence. It means the employer must convincingly show that legitimate reasons, not retaliation, caused the adverse employment decision. Laws like the Sarbanes-Oxley Act and the Whistleblower Protection Act, along with state laws such as California Labor Code Sections 1102, 5 and 1102, 6 recognize this shift. In practice, this means whistleblowers can support their claims with evidence like the timing of events or inconsistent employer explanations. Employers, on the other hand, need to have solid proof that their actions were justified for legitimate reasons. Because the employer's burden is high, even a small hint of retaliation can lead to liability if they cannot prove otherwise. This process encourages employers to keep detailed records and avoid retaliatory conduct. So, in simple terms, the whistleblower must first show that their protected activity played a role in the adverse action. Then, the employer must prove that the same action would have happened regardless, based on clear evidence. This setup helps protect employees who report wrongdoing while allowing employers to defend their decisions with legitimate reasons.